Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share the video of the work that we finished in a Peugeot 308 2011, and this one come with the factory single DIN head unit before, which actually it was here, the single DIN, and we already removed the head unit, the top part, and we fit in beautifully, perfectly much the new 9-inch full setup, wireless CarPlay you see on the screen, and wireless Android Auto, which already done, and two USB port nicely fit inside the glove box, and with the full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera that fit perfectly at the back end and give it a full clear sharp details image when you reverse. And more importantly, we adjust, so the camera see the bumper bar right there with all the detail that the owner want to see when reverse, and it's on the 9-inch screen. So standing from the driver's seat, you see something like this, which is awesome, definitely awesome. And yeah, this one is the premium head unit that we have, so it has so much more of the hardware built in with super fast hardware level and firmware, and running Apple CarPlay and Android Auto very smooth. It's all the buttons working normal, and the sound, definitely it bring in the sound very nice with built-in amplifier inside the premium head unit. So yeah, everything is about, and we already run wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, beautifully done. Okay, so 308 Peugeot 2011. If you have the same car like this, you definitely know that it can be fit perfectly in like this, matching the gray color, gray silver color with the dash like factory fit and the 9-inch. Awesome, that's the very best. Actually, we were talking about getting the 7-inch, and the owner agreed to get the 7-inch as well, but enough we found that okay, we can have the 9-inch on time, and we just fit in the 9-inch for her, just for a good thing. And absolutely we love it. We love how the 9-inch sit on the car, and it's just perfect. And for a lady driver, she definitely will love what we have done here. So yep, beautiful 308 2011. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.